Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about the importance of a professional ethics for any professionals. The importance of a professional ethics for any professions. The professional ethics is a crucial for maintaining the trust, credibility in the workspace. The ethical behavior sets the foundations for a positive work environment and upholding the professional ethics. Demonstrate the integrity of a professional profilizer. See here, business ethics. In business ethics, we have an morality, trust, reliability, principle, behavior, responsibility, relationships, and a choice, etc. The benefits of a professional ethics. The professional ethics enhance the reputations of our professionals and organizations. The ethical conduct fosters strong relationships with our client, colleagues, and stakeholders. The professionals with a strong ethical values and more likely to gain the opportunity over the career advancement. The professional ethics. The professional ethics are a standard to conduct and apply the peoples to who occupy the professional occupations or a role. A person who enters a professional acquires an ethical obligations because the society trusts them to provide the valuable goods and services that cannot be provided unless their conduct conforms to a certain standards. The professionals who fail to live up their ethical obligations betray distrust. The professional ethics studied by an ethicist include the medical ethics. Building and trust credibility. The professional ethics establish the trust between the professional and the client, and their ethical professionals are seen reliable and dependable. The trust and credibility lead to long-term relationships, increase the business success, and maintaining professional standards. The professional ethics ensure that the professional adhere the set of standards and guidelines. The ethical behavior promotes a fairness, honesty, respect in the workspace. The professionals who maintain the high ethical standard are more likely to be and avoid legal and ethical dilemmas. The code of ethical types are developed. Create a positive work environment. The professional ethics contributed to the positive work culture based on the mutual respect and trust. The ethical behavior fosters teamwork and collaborations among the colleagues, and a positive environment leads to increase the productivity and job satisfaction. The tips to build a positive network in an environment is given in the lecture. The ethical decision making. The professional ethical decision provides a framework for ethical decisions in challenging situations. The ethical decision making considers the impact on the stakeholders and the society as a whole. The professionals with a strong ethical values and more likely to have and make decisions allied with their principles. The ethical decisions making framework is given here, which is known as an committed to actions and making decisions recognized to yourself, etc. The professional's development and growth. Upholding and professional ethics encourage and continuous learning and growth. The professional seeks the opportunity to enhance their skills and knowledge. The professional development contributes to personal and career advancement. The personal growth is the sum of the points are given here: vision, planning, learning, training, creativity, development, and goals and motivations. Legal and regularity compliance. The professional ethics guide professionals to comply with legal and regularity requirements. The ethical behavior ensures the professionals to do not engage in illegal or unethical practices. The complements with laws, regulations protects the professionals and other organizations from legal consequences. Complications. Complications means there means a requirement, regulations, rules, standards, law, policies, and transparencies. Ethics in a digital age. The professional ethics extended to a digital realm, including online communications and data privacy. The professional ethic is prioritize the protections of sensitive information, maintain the online professionalism. Adhering the ethical guidelines in a digital age is essential for maintaining the trust credibility. Ethics for a digital age. Conclusions. The professional ethics are what is ethics ethics conclusion we will go. Ethics in a professional life is a new ethics has been around for ages. Today every profession has an codes by which their professions must practice. Engineer no expectations, so remember in a core of an ethic isn't something it's get and posted on a bulletin board. It's something every engineer should live every day. You got the ethics? The conclusion. The professional ethics are the vital for many professionals regardless of an industry for a position. Upholding a professional ethic leads to a trust, credibility and a positive work environment. The behavior